Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our lecture on intercultural communication. Today, we are going on an explorative journey to understand the components of intercultural unification, such as history, traditions, and the future projections of a culture. We will use Ukraine as a prime example to illustrate these aspects. This presentation will delve deep into how cultural identity is formed and evolves over time, reflecting on traditional values and looking forward to future changes and adaptations in the cultural landscape. Intercultural communication is a complex and dynamic field involving the interaction between people from different cultural backgrounds. It explores how people convey and perceive messages differently, influenced by their cultural practices, beliefs, and values. Key aspects of effective intercultural communication include understanding the role of nonverbal cues and language proficiency, which significantly impact how messages are interpreted and received across different cultures. Furthermore, it involves recognizing the personal and professional benefits it offers, such as fostering deeper relationships and enhancing collaborative international efforts. Engaging in intercultural communication also necessitates awareness of various models, like those proposed by renowned researchers who study cultural dimensions and communication strategies. Let's begin our exploration with the rich cultural heritage and identity formation of Ukrainians. The cultural identity of Ukrainians has been shaped by several core influences. Firstly, Christian values have played a crucial role, weaving a strong moral and ethical fabric into everyday life and community practices. Secondly, the sedentary or agricultural lifestyle of Ukrainians has not only shaped their economic activities, but also their social structure, festivals, and yearly cycles. One cannot overlook the heroization of the Cossacks either, which symbolizes bravery, self-reliance, and the spirit of freedom that is deeply embedded in the Ukrainian identity. Lastly, the belief in a common language, customs, and religion as essential elements for nation formation represents a significant cornerstone in the cultural development of Ukraine. These factors together have created a unique and resilient cultural identity that continues to endure and adapt through the ages. In addition to the cultural shifts, other European countries have experienced significant historical events that shaped their cultural identities. 1. The French Revolution, 1789 to 1799. This pivotal event marked the decline of absolute monarchies and the rise of a republic and democratic ideals. The revolution promoted the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity, which greatly impacted French culture and had wide-ranging effects throughout Europe, influencing political, social, and cultural developments. 2. The fall of the Berlin Wall, 1989. The dismantling of the Berlin Wall symbolized the end of communist rule in Eastern Europe and the reintegration of the East and West. This event not only reshaped German cultural identity, but also significantly influenced cultural understanding and exchanges between Eastern and Western Europe. 3. The Renaissance, 14th to 17th century. Originating in Italy and spreading across Europe, the Renaissance was a flourishing of art, science, and culture. It represented a radical break from the Middle Ages, ushering in a new age of intellectual inquiry and artistic expression that laid the foundation for modern Western culture. 4. The Industrial Revolution, 18th to 19th century. Starting in the United Kingdom and spreading across Europe, the Industrial Revolution transformed economies, social structures, and cultural practices. The shift from agrarian societies to industrialized cities brought about significant cultural changes, including new social classes and shifts in family structures and work life. Each of these events not only transformed the societies in which they occurred, but also had lasting impacts on the cultural landscapes of surrounding regions, shaping the complex mosaic of European cultures we see today. Moving on, let us look at the traditional cultural peculiarities that define everyday life in Ukraine. Religion plays a pivotal role in the lives of many Ukrainians, influencing both personal behaviors and community-wide events. Rituals, whether linked to religious ceremonies or seasonal festivals, mark the milestones of life and the changing seasons. Household traditions also play a significant part, reflecting ancestral knowledge and skills passed through generations. Lastly, local customs that vary from region to region enrich the cultural diversity within Ukraine itself, showcasing a variety of practices and beliefs that contribute to the overall cultural mosaic. Let's also remember how significant historical events, such as a European country joining the European Union during its largest enlargement in 2004, lay the groundwork for new traditions and cultural adaptations. This period often changes local customs and influences social dynamics in many ways. For example, consider Latvia, a country that joined the EU during this key enlargement. Latvia's integration into the European Union marked a significant transition that fostered deeper engagement with Western European cultures. This integration has fostered the adoption of broader European norms and business practices, as well as the revival of local traditions, combining them with a new multicultural perspective. For example, the European influence is evident in the widespread celebration of Europe Day, a celebration of peace and unity in Europe, which is now part of the national calendar. This integration has also led to the adaptation of new culinary traditions. Latvian cuisine increasingly incorporates ingredients and dishes from other European nations, while maintaining its distinctive flavors and cooking techniques. These changes emphasize how joining a larger political and economic union, such as the EU, can foster cultural synthesis, preserving national identity while embracing new, diverse elements that enrich local traditions. Latvia's EU membership thus illustrates how historical and political contexts significantly redefine cultural values and social norms. As we peer into the future, Ukrainians are poised to embrace a multitude of possibilities. What lies ahead is a readiness for open-mindedness, welcoming new values that complement traditional ones. There is an increasing acceptance of cultural diversity, which enhances the social tapestry of the nation. Alongside, there's a burgeoning interest in global cuisines, integrating them with local culinary traditions to form new, innovative dishes. Behavioral changes are also on the horizon, reflecting global influences and the internal evolution of the Ukrainian community's mindset and practices. These future tendencies signify an adaptive and vibrant culture that is continually evolving. Joining the European Union often brings significant cultural and economic impacts on member states. For Latvia, its accession to the EU in 2004 played a pivotal role in shaping its socio-economic and cultural landscape. Since joining the EU, Latvia has experienced considerable shifts towards increased openness and integration within European networks. This process, often termed Europeanization, has facilitated greater mobility of people and ideas, impacting Latvian society and its cultural norms. One of the notable changes includes the adoption of broader, more cosmopolitan perspectives, replacing some local traditional views. Younger generations in Latvia, in particular, have been more inclined to embrace individualistic values, akin to those prevalent in Western European countries. This shift can be largely attributed to exposure to diverse cultures and economies within the EU, which contrasts significantly from the collectivist norms that were emphasized during the Soviet era. Moreover, Latvia's EU membership has likely influenced its policies related to education, language, and cultural conservation, enhancing its citizens' ability to participate in multicultural dialogues and activities. The influx of EU funds has also led to improved infrastructure and public services, fostering a more conducive environment for cultural exchange and development. In summary, joining the EU has accelerated Latvia's transition from a post-Soviet collectivism to a more individualistic society aligned with Western European norms, deeply influencing its culture and ways of life. This evolution is reflected in every aspect of daily life, including work, education, and personal relationships, promoting a new understanding and approach towards both local and international interactions. Ladies and gentlemen, so today, as we dive into the foundational aspects of intercultural communication, I invite you to ponder a pivotal question. What do you think intercultural communication is? This question is crucial, as it touches the very core of our increasingly interconnected global society. Intercultural communication is essential because it facilitates effective interactions across diverse cultural boundaries and societal norms. In our globalized world, where businesses operate across continents and societies are becoming more multicultural, the ability to communicate across cultural divides is instrumental in fostering mutual understanding, respect, and collaboration. It plays a key role in everything from international diplomacy and global business to personal relationships and community building. Main aspects of intercultural communication. 1. Cultural awareness. Understanding that foundational beliefs, values, behaviors, and perceptions can vary dramatically between cultures, which can influence communication styles and interactions. 2. Verbal and nonverbal communication. Recognizing how cultures differ in their use of language, gestures, body language, and other forms of nonverbal communication that are integral to conveying and decoding messages effectively. 3. Active listening and empathy. The ability to listen actively and empathetically, thereby understanding the context from which another person from a different culture is speaking. This prevents misinterpretations and enhances meaningful exchanges. 4. Adaptability and flexibility. The skill to adapt communication styles and methods to suit different cultural contexts and audiences, while remaining respectful and mindful of diversity. 5. Cultural sensitivity. Avoiding cultural stereotypes and prejudices in communicating with others. This includes recognizing and valuing cultural differences rather than viewing them as barriers. This exploration is not merely academic. It's a practical skill set indispensable for navigating and succeeding in today's diverse world. As we progress through this course, I encourage all of you to reflect on your own experiences of intercultural communication, the challenges you've faced, and the strategies that helped you overcome those challenges. Our goal is to not only understand intercultural communication, but also to master its practice for a more harmonious and interconnected world. As we reach the conclusion of our presentation, I invite you to reflect on the journey we have traversed today. This final slide, adorned with images of glory, unites our past, traditions, and visions for the future into a cohesive narrative that celebrates the rich cultural identity of Ukrainians. From the historical roots enriched by Christian values, the agrarian lifestyle, and the heroic spirit of the Cossacks, to the deeply ingrained customs, language, and beliefs that have shaped our nation. Each element of our history plays a vital role in defining who we are today. Our traditions are bound in our religious practices, in the rituals we observe, and the simple but profound day-to-day interactions that connect us as a community. They are the essence of our homes and the spirit of our localities, nurturing a sense of belonging and togetherness among us. Looking ahead to the future, we stand ready to embrace open-mindedness, integrate new values, appreciate cultural diversity, explore novel cuisines, and adopt behaviors that will enrich our interactions both within and outside our borders. This readiness to adapt and evolve promises a dynamic and flourishing cultural landscape for Ukraine. In this reflection of history, tradition, and anticipation for what lies ahead, let us collectively commit to fostering a culture that not only honors its past, but also boldly embraces the possibilities of the future. Let us carry forward the legacy of our ancestors while paving the way for innovation and inclusivity in every facet of our cultural expression. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the Ukrainian spirit. Together, we continue to build a culture that is as enduring as it is vibrant and as diverse as it is unified. Thank you.